Welcome. This video is a follow-up to our previous release on the hidden field feature. Before diving in, if you haven't watched the hidden field video yet, I highly recommend you to check it out first. The link is in the description for easy access. There are many use cases for the feature that I'm about to explain. Imagine a sales manager overseeing a team of 10 executives, each tasked with signing at least 10 new contracts per month, totaling hundreds or even thousands of contracts over a year. Filtering contracts executed by a specific executive can become a major challenge. To solve this, the e-signature module introduces the hidden field feature. This allows users to create a hidden field within a document, visible only to the document owner and not to the recipient. Now, the sales manager can effortlessly search and filter contracts using the values entered in the hidden field. This video demonstrates how the filters in the hidden field functionality works in action. Now let's quickly upload a document and add a custom field and get it signed. As you know, a hidden field is always a custom field. So for this example demonstration, I'm going to give a new name to the custom field. So now we have created a new hidden custom field. The name of the field is test salesperson. So please ensure that you are adding a value to the field. So let me add a value as Daniel and add a signature field to send out the document. Now let me get back to the dashboard and head to the document section. In this dialog box, I select the drop down and choose hidden field. Here you will find multi-select options, field name and field value. Field name is the label you give to hidden field when creating it. You can search for documents using this name. In this demonstration, I have given the field name as test salesperson. So I can select a field name and type the name of the field. So to confirm it, I can click on the document, click on the link here, view hidden fields. The field name given is test salesperson. Likewise, I'm also able to filter the documents with the help of field value. Here, the field value I have given is Daniel. Again, you can confirm it by clicking on the view hidden fields link. The field value is Daniel. So what this means is all the contracts executed by Daniel will be listed when I filter it out. I hope this demonstration was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more WayMore tutorials. And remember, with WayMore, you achieve way more.